Do I feed my kids or do I fix my car tyre? That's the sort of question parents are faced with as the cost of living crisis bites harder than usual at the start of the school year.
And as kids head back to the classroom, one charity says its waiting lists for help has doubled in the past 6 months. Laura Tupou explains.
Back for another year, friends reunite in person and head in for their first day of school. For parents, the expenses associated with that come hard and fast.
Filling the lunch boxes, and your kids grow lots over the holidays, so you've got to get all the new school uniform.
And the cost of like Chromebook and all that kind of stuff, adds a lot more money.
And that's money people increasingly don't have. Aaron Gander from Ngāiwi School in Auckland's Mangere says it's a juggle for their families.
Do I feed my kids or do I get the tyre fixed?
Students here get support from some charities like Kids Can and Variety for school lunches, raincoats and shoes, among other things. And the school also picks up some of the costs for parents.
Things like Chromebooks, extra stationery, that kind of stuff. We cover that, but then that hurts our bottom line.
Gander says things were a challenge last year for their families, and this year it's even worse, especially when it comes to buying uniforms.
A fleecy top, $5, $10, $15 more expensive, and then you start having to buy multiple of them because you've got 3, 4 kids. That adds up.
Even in affluent Epsom in central Auckland, parents aren't immune.
They're certainly purchasing the compulsory items and then the optional items, just taking some more time as to whether they will need those.
It's no surprise the number of families needing help with everyday items is on the up. Variety, a charity that helps children in need, has had its waitlist double since August.
We were at 733, we're now at over 1,400 children in the community who need a sponsor.
And they're from all over the country.
We've got 350 families in Canterbury, for example, waiting for a sponsor.
Because it's no small feat to get your child school ready.
Shoes, even book packs, it's gone up quite a bit.
When we're going shopping, it's kind of like, well, this has gone up $3 or $4.
All barriers to getting a good, free education. Laura Tupou, Newshub.